Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this quick and easy glam look using all stick makeup. Yes, you heard it right. It's all stick makeup, all cream products. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this kind of a glam look. So this tutorial is to help you guys to show you how to use stick makeup properly, and also, if you perfect this kind of stick makeup, it will save you lots of time. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this tutorial, then keep on watching. We can get started with the face makeup today first, because on the eyes it's going to be all cream shadows, so there's no risk of fallout. I'm going to start off with the MAC Prep and Prime primer. It's like a pore refining primer. It looks like that. I'm going to take this primer and literally just swipe. And that is literally just going to take off the shine. And it's also going to fill in my pores a little bit. So just blend it in with your fingers. I use primers like this during the summertime because my skin is combination and I do tend to get oily in the T-zone area, so I do need a good mattifying stick or a pore filling stick. Next we're going to use foundation, and for foundation I have not really showed this on my channel, but I do love this foundation quite a lot. This is the Hourglass Vanish foundation and I'm in the shade Honey. Literally just really simple. Just roll it up like this and just swipe. Yeah, that matches me. Because this is more of that kind of mattifying foundation, I'm going to do one side first and then I'll do the other side. I'll blend this in right now. And stick foundations are often very easy to build up. If you feel like you need more coverage, then obviously put more on. I put whatever I need. Look how nice this side looks. I love this foundation for events. So if you're looking for a good foundation, this is well worth the money. Even though this has like less product in it, it is really good. So I have my foundation on. I'm going to add concealer next. As I told you, I don't need to worry about fallout or anything like that. I'm going to be using some of these Fenty Beauty matchsticks. These are really good. I'm going to use the concealer in shade Caramel. What they say in their videos is to just rub it a little bit on the back of your hand, just to kind of warm up the product and then apply it. Because what I have noticed is that this does dry down pretty quickly, so it's not as emollient as some of my other creamy concealers. So you do need to warm up the product on the back of your hand, and then you'll be okay. I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush to blend this all in. So the beauty of using cream products is that you can definitely just blend it in with your fingers, because the warmth of your fingers can actually melt the product on the face. If you find that an area is a little bit dry or patchy, you can definitely use your fingers to blend things out. For my eyes, I'm going to use Nudestix pencil. I'm going to use this all over my eyes and just blend it out. So just like so. And I'm going to blend it out with a synthetic brush. This is from Real Techniques. What I should say is that cream products, you should always use synthetic brushes to blend things out, because it is so much easier and it's going to be so much faster. So just keep that in mind. It's a beautiful color. the key for me is to really do makeup, but do really fast makeup, because I'm that person that I don't like to take too much time doing my makeup. Even though I am a makeup artist, I love to do things faster, and the way I find to do things faster is to use stick makeup. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Rustique. It's like a gorgeous kind of copper, and I'm going to put that right in the center, just like so. Again, use the same brush to blend out the edges. Do the same thing on the other side. Just intensifying the chocolate brown on the either side. We're going to go in with black liner next, and I'm going to use the Covergirl Katy Perry liner. It's just a black liner, and I'm going to just run that on the top lash line. Again, you don't need to be so neat with this. Take a flat brush like this and just blend it out. We're going to do the same thing on the bottom lash line, so go with this on your bottom lash line. Go back in with the shade Chocolate and run that underneath the lash line. Use the same blending brush to blend out the edges. So I'm going to apply my mascara and lashes off camera, and I'll be right back, and then we'll get to finishing the face. There's not much really left to do. I went in with another concealer. Where did it go? This is the Bobbi Brown concealer in medium to dark, and it's a stick concealer as well. It is really good for pinpoint concealing, but it is a shade lighter than the Fenty concealer, so I kind of used it today to kind of highlight the center here, you know, down the nose and just up here. Next up we have contour, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty contour matte stick in Truffle. It is again a gorgeous kind of contour shade. And that's it, and you're going to do the same thing here as well. I'm going to blend it out, and then we're going to do the other side. To blend out, I'm going to use my Tarte petal brush. It's really good. And just do upward and downward motions to blend it out. You can see very contoured. When you are blending, blend upward. And into the hairline. It's always like that. Just like so, and use a tiny bit here. Blend it up and into the hairline. I'm going to add a little bit more bronzer now that we have applied our contour. I'm going to go in with this Milk Makeup bronzer. This is, I think, the only makeup I have from Milk Cosmetics. I don't know, I have not really tried many of their products before, so I'm going to use this bronzer and this brush again and just apply it on tops. Going to go in with blush next, and I'm going to use the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Glow Stick. Going to use both the highlighter and the blush sides just to make it easier. So this is the blush end. It looks really pretty. So you're going to smile and just apply it like that. Blend it in with your fingers and away from. See how pretty this is? That's it, and just blend. Okay, I'm going to use the highlighter stick next. Going to just do that and just blend it. Again, this highlighter is going to be very subtle but very glossy. Last step is actually a lipstick, and obviously you can use any lipstick, doesn't really matter. I'm going to use the MAC Patrick Star Mahogany lip liner. It's a gorgeous kind of brown shade. And I'll fill in the whole lip with this. Add a little bit of a lighter lip color. This is Colourpop lipstick and in Cami. It's a gorgeous kind of pink. I'm just going to apply it in the center. Alright guys, so that is my makeup look actually complete. I mean, you could say that this is like a challenge video or whatnot, but I think that challenge video or not, this is just really to show you guys how to do quick and easy glam using stick makeup. There are amazing products out there that are in a cream form, and you should not really be afraid to use them. Like, I actually had to explain to you guys how to do this look, otherwise it would literally take me maybe about 20 minutes to finish this look. That's how easy this look is. I find that it actually is budge proof as well, so it's not like it will melt off your face. If you use the right sort of stick makeup, then makeup should not melt off your face. It's the other way around, where it kind of just sinks into the face and just makes it look more like skin, it doesn't look like you have put too much effort on to do makeup, whereas you have done makeup. So having said that, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's makeup tutorial using all stick makeup. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, share and subscribe to my channel so that you guys can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.